My hair's done, my eyebrows are done, use my new Morphe products again, and also my eyelashes are very long at the moment. I used the new one that I got, the Bad Girl Bang one from Morphe, and it's actually really good considering the brush being like really thin. I was expecting it like not to be very like good, but it's actually really good. Today I haven't really got much planned. I know that I want to DIY some shirts. So this one I want to DIY, and I have two other ones which I'll show you. I have this one, they're like really massive, but I want to like either crop them or cut the sleeves or something like that. Like with this one it's really big. Like I think I'm going to cut the sleeves and maybe like cut it up or just wear it like tied or something like that. I also have got this one which I've had for a while. I don't know if I want it in any vlog or anything like that yet, but this is, I also want to cut this one up or do something with it. For this first one, I'm going to put my hair back because I do not want to cut my hair. I'm going to wear this one while I do it because I'm just going to wear it, but it's fine. But I'm thinking of cutting like around the neck and like, actually I won't wear it. So for this first one, like I said, I'm going to cut around the neck. I think I'm just going to go like out like this, cut little divot things and like distress the neck. I don't know if this makes sense what I'm trying to say. So then cut like some little pieces off, maybe also some like on here, go across to the other side, stretch it out. Oh, that was a very big hole. Whoops. Now I'm gonna cut the sleeves a bit. These shirts are like on special for like heaps cheap at Kmart, and they're like men's. This one's an extra large. The other one I have is like a 3 extra large because I want them to be really big and easy to tie up. I don't know. Let's have a look at this. I'm gonna try it on. This looks weird. This is the only one that I'm gonna cut like around the neck. I thought this would look cool, but it didn't. So now we've just got a shirt that has like holes in it. I don't know. Does it look cool? I'm gonna cut this bit off here. I don't know what I'm doing. Cute. It's sort of cute. I don't know. I didn't wreck it. I mean like, I literally just cut the seam off for the top. I think it looks cool. So this is how the first one turned out. I think it's really cute. I've just tied it up at the bottom because I don't want to cut this one like along as a crop. I'd rather have it like tied up. I think it looks cool like that, but this is what it looks like. I cut the sleeves, they're cool, and then the neck has like the little details on it, which I think is really cute. I'd wear this with like some jeans or like some shorts or something like that. I think it's really cute. The next one that I'm gonna do is the other white one that I have. So the Pink Floyd one is massive, but it's gonna be comfy. With this one, I'm gonna cut it as like a crop. So I feel like here, or I'll go a little bit lower. Go here, and I'll see what this looks like. Now we have a little skirt. Imagine that. I think with this one, like I'd probably just crop it and then roll the sleeves, but I'll try this one on and show you guys what it looks like. So this is the next one. I think this is really cute. I feel like I might even wear this today, but I like how it's really baggy and it has heaps of room, and I've done like the little sleeves up. I think it looks really cute. I could definitely wear this with jeans again, shorts or anything like that. This is the next one. This last one I'm gonna crop, and then I'm also going to cut the sleeves like I did with the first one. Now I'll try this one on. So again, this is the next one. I wouldn't really wear it with like black on black, but with like my new denim skirt, I think that would look really cute. It's a little bit longer than my other one that I just cut, but I like this one. It's not as like showing. I think this is really cute as well. But I'm definitely, my favorite one is this one that I just cut before, and I'm gonna be wearing this one today. Thanks for watching me DIYing my clothes. I really enjoy doing that. I don't really have that much to DIY. With like what I had, like just my 3 shirts. I think I definitely will wear them more now that they're being like cut or DIY'd or anything like that. But you can literally do it with anything, like just by cropping it or like cutting the sleeves or cutting around the neck or anything like that. You can do so many things with your clothes and to just like reuse them and like repurpose them and everything like that. Now let's go on with the rest of the day. Basically for the last like half an hour to like an hour, me, Nathan, Mum and Blake went down to the like little park, like oval area, and we're trying to teach Blake, my little brother, how to ride a bike without training wheels because he hasn't learned it yet. Because I was sort of like running around and everything, I didn't really get to film me going like down to the park or whatever. He's actually got pretty good at it. He's almost there. But right now I'm making lunch for myself, and then I don't know what else we're doing today. There isn't really much to do. This is what I'm having for lunch. Having Devon and Parmesan cheese toasted sandwich. This is what I've decided to make. So I just finished lunch and, well, I mean, I had 2 of the sandwiches and Nathan had the other 2 because I was full after 2. But this room is looking a little bit different. We have a little supply up there on show and the desk is a little bit cleaner. We got like a plant. And then I have my desk there that views out the window and it has my little flowers there. And we use my popper. And there's Izzy. Izzy, have now. And there's like my folders over there and stuff like that. There's really nothing that we're doing today. Changed into Nathan's jumper, even though I already was wearing Nathan's jumper, but I got changed into a different of Nathan's jumper. So cold. Oh, I almost fell. I literally almost died. So with YouTube and everything, it was good while I was in like with quarantine and like everything, like holidays and stuff like that. Like that's when I started it. But now that I'm going back to school like full time, like every day, and then my work is also opening up soon, and I'm going back to netball, and like netball takes up 2 full days of my week, and then work, I also normally work about 3-4 days a week, so I won't really have that much time, as well as me being in year 12 and having to study and stuff like that. So I'm deciding to only do like 1 video a week, so it will either be like a vlog 1 week and then maybe like the next week like a more of like a video, but it's going to be every single week I'll like post. If like say if I'm really busy or something like that and I don't have time to do a video, there won't be one that week because I need to focus more on my schoolwork and stuff like that rather than YouTube at the moment. I still am really enjoying it, and like I'll try my best to like continue to upload every week, but for now I've just got to focus on other stuff. And I hope that makes sense. I'm really sorry everyone that wanted me to bring up videos like for 2 times a week. And like I really want to still do that, but I can't. So I'm gonna post probably like every Saturday a video will come out. When at the end of the year, after like all my exams are done and like all my HSC is over, like I'll definitely have more time to 2 videos a week like what I normally would be doing. So don't worry, I will be coming back. But so it will just be 1 for now, and sometimes there might not be one, but the next week there will. I'll make sure about it. I'll post something on Instagram or something like that so you guys can find out. Just check that out if you guys want to know. Anyway, me and Nathan are down at the shops. We're going to Kmart, as you can see in the background.
Oh, we're going to EB Games.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we parked the Kmart, but we're going to EB game. Maybe we go to Kmart. So hard to go into Kmart without buying anything. So we went into Cotton On, my favourite shop. No, well, it's not my favourite shop, but it's a good shop. One of my favourite shops. Wasn't expecting to buy anything, but I still had like gift voucher money and like a perks voucher, so I spent that. I'll show you guys what I got when we get home. I got a chocolate milkshake from Carl's Jr. because that's literally the only thing that's actually good from there. But I got a chocolate one and Nathan got a Oreo. So this is what I got from Cotton On. Got the silver zipper over the shoulder, another necklace. I got this other one from Cotton On the other day when I went with my sisters to the shops. Black tights, some grey ones. Because I need more tights. I feel like I don't have many ones. Like I only have these like activewear ones. I don't have like just normal tights. That's why I got them. But I'll show you guys the necklace closer. So that's basically all I got from Cotton On today. You know what we playing.
So today, guys, we've got a carbon fiber hairband. I'm here with the most innovative idea of my life. Ready? Self-sticking tripod. Look at this. You're up here, you take photos with the boys. Hey boys! Holy moly. And so here with all my gang, the famous Sam P, Sam A, all these weird people. Carbon fiber hairband is officially gone, but there are some limitations to the tripod, so that it's not exactly level. Connor Terry, peace out.
So this is what I'm wearing tonight. I just have my new jeans that I bought from Cotton On, my new top that I bought from Cotton On today, and I've got my puffer jacket and my new bag that I got the other day as well, and I got my makeup. Me and Nathan are going out for dinner. It's our 1 year and 4 months. I'm just gonna have my hair out how it is because it was straight, like as you guys saw how I straightened it, but then it rained. Basically every single time that I get out of the car to like get out from school or like get home or anything like that, it's literally always raining, and my hair got wet and I was like, yeah, I just straightened it. Does that happen to anyone else? People that have like curly hair and like purposely like straighten their hair to make them feel better or whatever, and then you like rock up at school with your hair straight, like it starts raining and you're like, and your hair goes all frizzy. It's just a whole thing. Anyway, if anyone wonders what the perfume I'm using the Cloud perfume from Ariana Grande, one of my favorite perfumes. Well, I mean, I only own 2 perfumes and I like swap between them, both of the Ariana Grande ones, but this is the one that I always use. But I also have I think the newest one from Ariana Grande is like the Heartbreak one or something. That one also smells really good. I was lucky because with the little ones that I got, it comes like the little mini ones that you can pop in your purse. I'm wearing my Vans, my platform Vans, because they're literally my favorite shoes. I wear them all the time. I want to get a pair of Air Forces or whatever. They are really pretty and I do need white shoes. Like I don't have white shoes that I can wear. I only have Vans and Converses, and they're both black and white. I didn't realize, but this vlog is going to be turned into a DIY vlog because I'm actually DIYing. I DIY'd clothes and now I'm DIYing a plant to go up there. And so we went over to Bunnings and we got 2 grey pots because I thought, well, if we're going to get grey, I didn't really have a black pot that matched that one that's over there. So I was like, well, we'll just get 2 grey ones and then we can have them like the same. And then we got this hanging macrame hanger. So I thought it would look really cool. You just have like the pot in there. So that's what it looks like at the end. I didn't have any plants that we liked there, so I was like, well, we'll just go and we end up getting 2 of these really long plant things that we thought that we'd put in and have it hanging over. With this, they had different sizes and like different lengths and stuff, so you can always get one that actually like matches the length of what you're doing, like, or where you need it and stuff like that. And they also had different colored ones, so like more of a brownie colored one rather than like a cream. And they also had heaps of different colored pots, so you can definitely choose a different colored pot to match it with your theme. I got grey because like the grey matches with my new pillows. You can always change what plant you put in there. I wanted more of like a hanging one, so that's why I got that. This is very long, so I'm gonna like twist it a bit so that's not like heaps long. Just pop it in there, have a few pieces sticking up, but have most of it hanging on the side. So the plant's in there now. That's what it looks like. It's a bit long on this one. I might push this one in a bit further. Put this one up on my side. just gonna end the video. So Nathan was just editing the video for me, and I was just thinking, like, I know I said in the video that I was gonna do like a video once a week, but I think it's too hard and everything, like I've still got stuff going on and I don't have enough free time to be able to film and like edit and stuff like that. But right now I'm sort of gonna stop doing YouTube. I know, I'm sorry. If I can post a video, I will. Like if I have free time, like it's the school holidays or whatever, like I'll post a video on like update, but I'm not gonna have like a set schedule like posting every week because it's too hard on me and Nathan. I know after school's finished and everything like that's done, I will be coming back to more scheduled again, like I said, like 2 videos and stuff a week. But for right now, if I have time, I will do a video because I still really enjoy doing it, but I just need to focus on other stuff other than YouTube at the moment. Anyway guys, I'm really sorry about that, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you guys know when I post a video and when I'm back, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!